Hello and welcome to the next step. In today's video, we'll be learning how to change the locks on a door. There are two ways to go about doing this. You can either rekey your lock by purchasing a rekeying kit, but this is very case specific, so we're not going to be doing that in this video. However, there are links in the description with information on how to do this. Instead, we're going to be completely replacing our locks by purchasing a new deadbolt and doorknob. You will need a screwdriver and a new deadbolt and doorknob set. Start by using the screwdriver to remove the doorknob. Now, carefully remove the doorknob and place it in a safe space. Remove the other side as well. Now, let's remove the plunger with our screwdriver. Now, insert the new plunger and screw into place. Now, slide your new doorknob into place by lining up this pole here with this hole here. This next part may be a bit tricky, but like a puzzle, attach the other side. There you go. Now, take your screws and your screwdriver and screw back into place. Now, let's repeat the same process for the deadbolt, starting by unscrewing the screws. Remove the plunger in the same way you did for the doorknob. Now, replacing it is just as easy as it was with the doorknob. Simply go backwards. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you found this helpful. Changing your locks can ensure your safety and security inside your home.